2802, a beautiful 3-bedroom apartment, 1900 square feet. That's a kitchen which comes up with a sink, a lot of storage out here. It is inbuilt with gas, oven, exhaust, 2-door fridge. As we walk in, we have, this is the biggest layout if you compare in Radiant Square, that can be turned into your dining space. It's a beautiful sea view unit. It's a sun-filled unit. As you can see, we are in the afternoon time and the unit is so bright and nice. As we walk in, we have our first room. Both rooms have balcony. That's our balcony. Two bedroom have common washroom, and that's our guest washroom. A separate laundry room. These are all storage wardrobes. That's a common washroom for 2 bedroom. That's our second bedroom. All the bedroom sizes are nice, spacious. It's the biggest layout, as I told you, for a 3-bedroom. Unbeatable price per square feet, as well as it's a new building, so the appreciation is guaranteed. As you can see, this will be your common washroom, which I've already showed you. In the end, we have a maid's room, which is nice, big, spacious, very livable, and entering into a master bedroom. Very good size. Behind the door as well, I can see, comes with wardrobes and definitely good view.